It's always wonderful to have some additional money. It's much better to make more money without having to do much work. There are almost a million various ways for people to make more money or earn a passive income online. However, with a plethora of get-rich-fast schemes and other shady services available, it can be difficult to determine which ones are legitimate. Still, this doesn't mean that there aren't terrific and trustworthy places to start making a little additional cash. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about click-to-earn websites that are sure to give you more additional income. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. Yes, there are several scammers out there. Many people who seek to generate money online without first conducting study fall into traps. Many bogus websites, for example, require you to watch advertisements or complete surveys, yet do not pay you. To begin, it's important to understand how these programs can truly make you money. Many people choose to use pay-per-click sites, commonly known as PPC. These websites generate revenue by selling ad space on their platform. PPC sites allow advertisers to contact millions of potential customers and convince consumers to participate by paying them to view the adverts. It's a two-way street in which everyone wins. Another practical and popular option is get-paid-to websites. GPT programs, like PPC sites, sell advertising space as well as surveys, films to view, and so on. These chances are then promoted to the site's members. When a consumer engages in an ad watching or a survey, they get a share of the cash generated by the GPT website through the sale of ad space. There are numerous opportunities to begin earning money immediately. However, it is critical to investigate and analyze any program before using it, as there are as many scammers as there are trustworthy websites. Furthermore, some programs are more resilient than others. So, in order to be informed and generate money, we compiled a list of the top 5 best programs to utilize for earning money online. Invisibly is the first website on the list. Invisibly is revolutionizing the way people make money online. Today, data is one of the most valuable commodities. The truth is that anytime you engage with the internet, big tech is gathering your data behind the scenes. Their goal is to use your data to learn more about you so that they can personalize your feed and improve sales and profit. While big tech profits, customers are left behind and do not receive a share of the profits generated by the personal information they supplied. So we're altering things up. Invisibly is here to pay big tech what they owe you for the data you create and share. It is critical to us that you receive a portion of the transactions that take place behind the scenes. Today, the most valuable commodities are your time and data. Why not take a portion of the profits for your efforts in developing the algorithm? Every engagement with your Invisibly stream earns you a point, and creating it can earn you up to 20 points in a day. Every 100 points are worth $1, and we make it simple to pay out when you reach 500 points. We provide more than just control over your algorithm. You can also earn extra points by answering survey questions and redeeming brand offers. This is just the beginning. More options to earn money will be added soon. We're building an AI-powered platform with a feed that functions as a true extension of you. It's so much more than a feed that big tech has intentionally targeted at you. Invisibly is all about providing you the control and a cut of what you're worth. We make it simple to participate, share, and most importantly, be rewarded with Invisibly. Swagbucks comes next. Swagbucks is a well-known GPT site. To date, it has paid out over $532 million in cash and free gift cards to consumers. The site is somewhat unique in that it provides numerous ways to earn on a single page. They provide a variety of money-making options, such as doing paid surveys, watching advertising, and participating in paid-to-click links and emails. You may also engage in enjoyable hobbies such as gaming or keep it simple by searching the web. Reading emails remains the most popular Swagbucks activity for many members. When you sign up for Swagbucks, you will start receiving promotional emails in your Swagbucks inbox. You can easily earn money by clicking links in the emails and visiting advertiser websites from there. This allows you to earn Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cashed out via PayPal. The only catch is that some of these email links require you to make a purchase before you can earn money from them. While many do not, this is something to keep an eye out for in their advertisements. Neobucks is the third website on our list. Neobucks works a little differently than other PTC and GPT services out there. You select a membership package when you sign up for Neobucks. This impacts how much money you make per click. the number of advertisements you view, and the quality of the ads you see. You can earn roughly $0.015 for each click, link, and ad view with the free standard Neobucks membership. While the starting amount is tiny, there is no limit to how many adverts or links you can watch or click on with Neobucks. You can upgrade your membership if you want to earn more money. A golden membership costs $90 per year and allows you to earn a small commission on each click. Despite this, Neobucks can be handy due to its modest payment amount. To pay out, you only need to earn $2. The problematic part is that Neobucks does not use traditional cash-out services such as PayPal. Instead, they use Skrill or Neteller, therefore you must have an account with one of these to earn. Scarlet Clicks comes next. Scarlet Clicks is another great method for making money online quickly. They, like Neobucks, have a $2 minimum payout. Fortunately, they provide a broader range of payout services. You can pay with Skrill, Payeer, or even Bitcoin. Scarlet Clicks allows you to earn money in a variety of ways. They offer to pay you for completing online forms, clicking links to advertisements, and even introducing friends. You can earn approximately $0.01 every click. Furthermore, you can earn up to 100% of your referrals earnings. To begin earning with them, you must first choose a membership package. The amount you can withdraw each time is determined by the plan you select. With the regular plan, you can withdraw up to $5 per transaction. However, depending on what you pay for, you can extract anywhere from $10 to $50 with the higher plans. Overall, since they have paid out roughly $2 million to their 77,000 subscribers, the payout isn't too bad. And last but certainly not least, Fusioncash. Fusioncash operates in the same manner as many other pay-per-click services. It has the typical methods of earning money, such as clicking on advertising, links, and so on. It does, however, offer one significant difference in that you can earn money by installing mobile apps. One disadvantage of the site is that it is only available to Americans. Furthermore, it only allows you to withdraw your money until you have accumulated a minimum of $25 on the platform. This may be difficult to achieve because the average daily earnings for most users is $0.02. Still, it is a viable option for people wishing to supplement their income. You will receive a $5 bonus for signing up, and you will be able to earn more quickly through the referral system. You can earn up to $1 when they confirm their email and $2 when they complete their first offer by inviting individuals in your network to join. Making money online with a few simple clicks appears appealing. Still, it is critical to be realistic. Many of these sites need money to use, and with the price being a few cents per click, it will be difficult to earn anything big. This isn't to say that these sites aren't a feasible choice for making a little additional money on the side. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.